Okay, we're back. This is part two. Daisies for Annika and Basil for Alex. We were replanting a tomato. I just got it out of the. Look at how long the roots are. I just got it out of the old plant, the old smaller planter, and I had to kind of cut it out. So we're gonna do the same thing. You got to be very careful with these roots. They seem kind of tough, but they're at the same time they're kind of fragile. I cut another hole in the bottom there because I think that once spring rolls around, I'm gonna have to replant these. This is a beefsteak tomato here. No, I'm sorry, a heirloom tomato, brandywine tomato. And we'll be probably planting this baby outside when it gets to be summer, but I'm thinking that I might have planted it too early and we might even have tomatoes before then. So you just gotta be gentle and string it through there, like that. It was still in the old rock wool cube. So I'm gonna take the clay pellets or whatever they're called, and fill it up. Try and do most of this over the sink. Have an adult help you maybe, especially with the solution. Might be hard for you to do it by yourself. For the water, you might want to use spring water, and if you decide to use tap water to either water your plants or to make the solution to put in the jar, you can just let the water, if you use tap water, just let the water sit out overnight, and that will allow the chlorine to evaporate out of it, because tap water has chlorine in it. And we're going to go ahead and fill it up here with this. This is a solution. Just get it at Walmart and mix it up with water. Yes, we do. So there we go. And we're going to put this all over my feet. We're going to put this down there. We'll probably put some more in there tomorrow, but you can see how big the roots are here. Let's swirl it around, see if we can get it. There. Look at how big those roots are. They're huge. Alright. And we already did Alex's basil. We could do another basil, I think. Yeah, we don't have enough solution. So on our next video, we'll plant some more. We still have a tomato and a basil and a few peppers left. Alex likes the Carolina Reaper. We have Carolina Reaper, yellow moruga, and there's a Trinidad scorpion. So we'll do the Trinidad scorpion for the next video for Alex, and also do some of his basil. But before we go, I forgot about this little pepper that we have laying off to the side. So what I think we'll do is put him temporarily, so we don't lose him, into, I have a smaller container around here somewhere that we can use. Put him somewhere temporarily. There we go. Right here. This is just something from bacon flavored aioli container that just happens to hold one of these cups perfectly. So we'll put at least we'll be able to save them. The pepper, and we'll put one in there for a few days until we get back to make the videos again. And we gotta look around for our rock wool cubes. Not very organized here. One of these cubes right here. Take our scissors. We're gonna do the same thing that we did. We can take our scissors and cut it in half. The seedlings, you don't have to cut it in half. You can put the seedling right in there and put it in water and put it in the window and watch the seedling grow. Or you can use the paper towel method. You can look look all this stuff up on the internet too. Maybe if you ask, I'll show you how to do it. Remember to put that in there, so a little bit of the roots sticking out, right there, like that. Well, we're probably going to be transplanting this guy fairly soon. Now, here's the problem we're running into. We're out of solution. So, make sure we pour it over that really good. And in this case we can save that for later. In this case, we'll probably just fill it up with water until we get back to it. That'll be okay for a few days. Maybe we'll get back to it tomorrow. I have some water that's been sitting out for a couple of days, so the chlorine's all gone. And it's just kind of temporary. It'll be a light solution, but that's okay, because when they're a little younger, they don't like their solution is strong. There we go. There we go. So we'll put a couple of those little pebbles on there. The reason why you put the pebbles on here is to fill up the space. The roots will go through these pebbles nicely. It's to fill up the space and block the sun from coming in, because that's why I put tinfoil on there. If you get sun in there, it'll start to grow other things like fungus or something, or algae. Oh, little guy there. Little soldier. And there we go. So, we'll come back. I forgot, we don't have enough time, but I have my neighbor. She loaned me this little germinator from her son. The lid goes on there like that, so that's how I start the seeds. But we still have right here is some romaine lettuce, and I have a few more daisies to plant for Annika. I have some more basil to plant for Alex when we come back. And I have an early grow tomato. Look at that. Because I want to get some tomatoes going early so I can have veggies this year. And we have a couple of other tomatoes here. See, look at the roots on them that we'll be able to plant too. And lots of basil for Alex. Really a lot. So we can make this pesto right there. Look at the roots. So they're long overdue. They've been kind of sitting for a while. I don't remember exactly. That's over a month old, I'm sure. So that's all I have. And looks like the cat wants a little snack here. I'll show you the cat before we go. Basil, you looking for a snack? Come on, Basil, you want a snack? There you go. Want a snack? Want a snack, honey? Want a snack? Cat really swing, but here you go, Basil. Here you go. That looks like granola. Hold on. Gave him the wrong snack. They look similar. I don't think he's going to enjoy that granola. Here we go. We got chicken, treasure crunch with ocean whitefish, or a mix-up. You want chicken, shrimp, or the mix-up? Let's do the party mix. Have a little party here. Here you go, honey. There you go. There's your snack. And that's that. Alright, that was the video for Alex and Annika. Just showing you how to do some plants. Saying hi to the cat. I think we're gonna have a little piece of shrimp too. There you go. There you go, Basil. I guess he likes that one. Let's show you the cat here. Hello. Our little Basil. Little guy. Oh, get back to your snack. There you go. All right. All right, we'll get back to the video, part 3, and hope to see you soon. Love you.